We have drafted the sides, shelves, top frames, and top of our nightstand, leaving us only the toe kick of our nightstand. The toe kick is recessed into your nightstand by just a small amount and stands with the width standing vertically. So we are going to follow a similar process as the other parts of our nightstand by selecting the 3D box option. This time for our first corner, we are going to actually select this inside bottom front corner of our nightstand. And with that selected, now we can type in our length. Our length on our cutting list is 12.5. So I'm going to type in 12.5. Enter. Our width is going to be the thickness, which is 0.75. Enter. And our height now will be the width, in this case, which is 3 3/8. 3/8 is 0.375 as a decimal, so I will type in 3.375. And we have now created our top frame. You can see that there is just a little bit of a gap right there, because I want a little bit of a gap underneath the bottom of the top frame. And because of that, I'm going to single click on this, and with gumball selected, I am going to lift this up by 1/8 of an inch, which is a decimal of 0.125. Enter. Now I have a tiny little shadow line underneath there, which is exactly what I want. Now all I need to do is recess this, and I want to move that back by 1/2 of an inch. So the green arrow is moving back. I am going to single click on the green arrow. I'm going to type in 0.5 and enter. And now my toe kick is recessed in my nightstand just like I want it. I'll finish by making a new layer. I will call it toe kick. I'm going to give that a green color and say OK. I'll select my toe kick, right click on my layer name, and say change object layer. At this point, all I have left to do is to create the joints for which these shelves will fit into my nightstand. To do this, I'm going to enter kind of a weird command in my command line. It is Boolean difference. So I'm going to start typing Boolean, B-O-O-L, and I'm going to select the Boolean difference option. For the surfaces to subtract from are these two red surfaces, and enter. And now I'm going to make sure in my command line it says delete input equals no by clicking on that. Surfaces to subtract with are my two blue shelves. Enter. And now, if I turn off my shelves layer over here and I click on this light bulb, you can see that I have these grooves cut in my sides. We're going to cut these exact grooves using a table saw, and these are called a dado. So I just want you to see how those are made. I'm going to turn back on my shelves. I'm going to save my file, and I'm ready to begin my dimensioning of my nightstand.